Hey.
Good morning. So today I'm gonna be going to meet my second uncle. We also have to look into our visa. We qualify for F4, which is the Korean Heritage Visa. I do qualify to be dual citizen, but for anyone who have been adopted from Korea, have not denounced their Korean citizenship. So what you have to do is report to Korean government saying that you still do want to keep your Korean citizenship. However, in my case, I did not notify Korean government. Basically, my Korean citizenship is dead. The process I have to go through is first report that I have a American citizenship, 2 get an F4 because I'll be living here, 3 apply to become a Korean citizen again, and then from then on I could be a dual citizen. However, I spoke to someone and they said, yeah, it might not be possible, so you have to go talk to the immigration office. So there's that whole entire process I have to go through. So I think that's it. We have a long day. Pedro's gonna watch the baby. What is this guy doing? Loves to play with laundry, drying racks. Yes, yeah? Hi. Oh, you made it. Oh. Oh. Bye.
We should clean that up when I get a chance. This guy's standing very well, but he's still not walking. Are you gonna walk? You already won. You graduated from a babyhood. You are now a toddler. Say hi. Literally running for everything that's there he wants. So I have to give him something else, otherwise he gets mad, right? Is it your nap time? Maybe we should go take a nap. My wife had to go to Seoul today. It's like an hour and a half with public transportation. It is very hot outside, 90 degrees. She even said, don't go outside, stay home by yourself today because it's too hot for him to go out. We are in Seoul, South Korea. This guy is now 1 year old. Yay! Whoa, 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 you could hit your head. Not gonna lie, when we first had this guy, it was quite scary. You know, he was so fragile and tiny.
Today, we don't have a baby.
You still have a baby. He's just not with us.
Today
She donated him.
Today is a day without baby.
It's very hot though.
It's very humid today.
Hey, can I just? Whoa! Look at that bug.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
They're so pretty.
Can you get the shots? Whoa, whoa.
Oh, it's so fast. What is it? It flew so fast. It's gone. It's gone. It flew over me. Chill out. You're crazy.
It flew through my hair.
It did it. It
It
flew
did.
above you.
No, it touched me, babe.
Oh my god.
Ah.
So funny. Be careful.
I think this is a coffee shop people go to for the vibe.
For the vibe.
Yeah.
So it might not be good.
It's a coffee shop people go to for the vibe, you know, for the interiors. Meaning it might be a bad coffee. Oh, and it's like 8,000 won.
Is it really?
You know the like really pretty vibe coffee shop? The coffees are like 8,000 won.
Really?
Yeah.
Kind of expensive. No?
You need an umbrella here.
Oh yeah. It's very bright
It's very bright
and hot.
and hot. Cover your skin from the UV rays. You can have fair skin like all the Asians in this country. We're excited about this coffee shop because it's like a Hanok vibe and very minimal. It's something that we would like to do in the future, have an Airbnb.
You're getting too close, babe.
Why, you don't like me close?
No, the camera, it's literally in your face.
Ow!
What's funny about Hannah is if I try to get close, she pulls away and goes, "You're too close." But then if I don't want to be close, she gets mad at me for not wanting to be close. She's a cat. What do you think? And I'm a what? Golden retriever?
I'm a golden retriever.
You golden retriever? Yeah, right.
I'm a golden retriever.
I need to give you space. Otherwise,
I need to give you space. You always get cranky.
what do you mean?
Yeah, you get all like, I
No.
need my space. I need my personal
What?
time.
Personal time is different than physical affection. I always give you physical affection if you want it. What do you think? The cicadas are very loud.
When is it gonna let us walk? Oh, it's here. It's here. Finally.
Wow, you definitely don't get this in America. It's like a choir. Very loud choir. I think I like crickets more.
We should go this way. Oh, what do you want?
Oh.